What's up, guys? Happy Sunday. Welcome to a new vlog. So quickly, we're getting into the fit. We're heading to a comedy show. We're wearing this cute sheen skater dress with regular bag. You know, we have on the regular gold jewelry. Face is dead. I did do my face. The ride is outside waiting on me, so there's no time, but just wanted to come on and say, hey, y'all, cute fit comedy show on a Sunday. Then I'm gonna go to I Love Souls on a Sunday. Just enjoy some little Souls music and relax. So, yeah.
Slightly on his stage, Christopher Johnny Davis. Come on, put your hands together, put your hands together, put your hands together. Check, check. They hosted up, listen, every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday night they have events here. Wednesday is beer night, wings night. Wednesday is what? Wednesday is again? Wednesday is what? Come on. Beer vibes. Thursday is live band. Friday is retro. And Saturday is, what's that? Saturday is what? No, that night is when? Thursday.
What's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. It is day 4 of my braces journey. It is what, 12. Y'all don't look at my nails. It's after 12 in the afternoon and I'm about to prepare breakfast. Yes, I'm about to do breakfast. I always eat late, which is not a good thing, but that's just how my morning always run. I was having some pain this morning, but other than that, I'm alright. There's something that I get, so I got a kit with some braces thing, toothbrush, toothpaste. I got a wax, so the wax is for if the braces is like sticking you in your mouth, then you can just put the wax over that. So I have a few of them on the places that were sticking me, but this one right here, I took it off this morning. I shouldn't have, so now it's kind of sticking me right now, but I'm gonna remove them because I want to eat. I know the question I forgot to ask, can I eat with the wax? Because I actually did that last night and the wax didn't move. So I'm gonna put back the wax here because it's really sticking me. I sort out my breakfast and that's it. By the way, if you see the stove right here, I'm actually cleaning behind the stove because it's giving filthy. And I'm gonna, wipe the walls as well, the tiling around the stove area, because when you cook it splashes all over. So yeah, I'm gonna tidy up around here. I'm actually gonna need to just cook my breakfast first because I'm starving. So after I finish eat, then I'm gonna tidy up the kitchen area. I still don't have a couch. I did sold my couch, so my living area is still empty as an empty apartment. That's just how it goes. It's still empty. The space in here is so tiny, and the couches that I see in Quartz and Active, I love them, but they're just too expensive. They're over $100,000, and I did not know that's the money I needed to buy like a 2-seater. I did see the Indian stores have a 2-seater for like 50 grand or 60 grand, I think. So I know I'm gonna get my couch from there. I actually wanted a sectional. I actually wanted an L couch, but the ones that I'm seeing, they're too long for the area. So I'm thinking to go to Boss Furniture because I know that they do customizing stuff. So I'm thinking to go down there, and because they have like a space that you can go down there and look and all of that and do your order. That's downtown, so I'm thinking to do that. By the way, if you guys see me like how my mouth is moving, that's how I can talk right now because of the metal. And then also this is sticking. This one is sticking out, sticking my gum. Yeah. So what I was saying, yeah. So I'm thinking to get a customized L coach. I think L coach is just so, and I can stretch out my foot. You know what I'm saying. So, but if that doesn't work out, I'm just gonna get a regular two-seater for now. Like this space is not gonna be forever. Yeah. So it's breakfast time. Let me just do that. Oops. So I'm gonna prepare breakfast. By the way, today I am going to Jamaica Food and Drink. A few of my friends are just gonna go to their cooking class. I can't remember what the menu is. I think it's penny vodka. I think it's some pasta thing. We're gonna be cooking. So I saw it and I was like, hey, my friends, let's do this. So we're all doing that today at 6:30 at Jamaica Food and Festival. I've been there before. I did a cooking video. You guys would have saw that vlog. So I'm going there again tonight. 6:30. So that is the plan for today, Tuesday. Yeah, so that's what I'm keeping up with. I'm also working, so I may show you guys a little bit of that for today. But the focus right now is to prepare our breakfast. I'm gonna do egg, sausage, and bread. I have plantain. And it's urban. I like when my plantains look like this because they're soft and sweet and nice. Yeah. So I'm gonna like start my food right now.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move.
Alright, so finish eating, and as soon as you finish eating, you have to floss and brush your teeth like immediately after. As long as you can if you're not outside, because the food gets into. I can literally feel the food within the spaces and the braces and stuff like that. So I still have the wax on some of the brackets, so I'm gonna remove it, then I'm gonna floss. I'm not gonna really show you guys that because I don't really want you to see in my mouth really. It's so weird. Guys, we just see a piece of plantain right just so ew. Anyways, so this is a dental floss. Y'all don't mind my fingers. Actually soaked them off from last night. I need to finish soaking off this one, this one, and there's one on this hand that's left to soak. So dental floss, and then I get this little loop thingy. Not sure if you guys can see it. So this loop thingy, you put it in between the hole. And then this is what you push through each wire, and then you floss. Alright, so I'm just gonna finish flossing. I don't really want to show you guys that because that's like so gross, and the food and all that's coming up, the crackers that I had, the plantain, I didn't see it. So when I finish doing that, then I'm gonna brush my teeth. So I got out all the food that I can. Every time I floss, it starts hurting. So I'm supposed to use like a soft toothbrush. This is a toothbrush I got in the case, so I'm gonna need to purchase another soft toothbrush because I normally use medium medium brushes, so they're saying it has to be soft brushes. So I'm gonna get another toothbrush when I'm doing my monthly shopping at the supermarket or something. Alright, I will see it. It doesn't matter. Yo, I'm hurting me. So like for my oral cleanse, I normally use hydrogen peroxide. So I didn't ask them if I can use this, but this is what I normally use. I don't use mouthwash because it always makes me sick. I think it's just because of the mouthwash that I have. So I may try another oral cleanse since I have been so on, you know. I'm about to have like, I don't know, but this works. I always use peroxide for my oral cleanse, to be honest. So I mean not like buy anything else because this is what I've been using. The thing is sticking me, so I need to put on the wax. But yeah, this is just what I normally use, to be honest. Hey guys, so it's later down in the evening. It's literally 6 o'clock, and remember I told you guys I'm heading to a group activity with my friends at the food and drinks. We're gonna be doing some cooking and just, you know, cooking and drinking and have a good time. I want to show you the quick fit. It's 6 o'clock and I need to get there by early, so let me just quickly get into the fit. This cute pants set is from Shein. It is definitely big for me, but I figured I'll still wear it. The crotch is a little bit, as you can see it, yeah, but I still think it looks good. Y'all see my hips there? Like if I have 1 more inch of hips, oh my god, oh my god, you could have speak to me. Anyways, I think my camera needs to wipe off. It's not looking too good, but yeah, I'm gonna wear just the flat sandals because I'll be standing and cooking. And we did our makeup, of course. Get into the makeup. I think the mirror is dirty too. That's why it doesn't look that clear. These spots, I just washed my hands, so that's why. But anyways, I will catch you guys when I'm at the cooking class. Like by before it's too low. Actually, I love that. We're creating today. We're gonna go through a little bit of housekeeping. What do you know? Should I actually jump on him? Then you're going to add all of the things. You said half. Half? Oh. You sure we only need half? Yeah, I'm sure.
I think we need more. Yes,
I think we need more.
I think we need more. Remember,
you know, like, yo, we're not inside them.
I was hoping they're gonna continue.
No, it's not salt. No, it looks like sugar. It looks that way. Hey guys, so we are at the cooking class. Say hi to Hi. We're here. YouTube, you're gonna open it. I can actually cook though. YouTube, you're gonna open it. When I put it on YouTube, you don't say that on YouTube, no fried. That one about you. All of the pasta. Okay, all of it. You know, I'll stop being worried about that. I'm gonna take a photo. pasta is coming along. It tastes good?
Yeah, man.
You like to taste one?
Cheers to us.
Penny's coming along.
Look here, Penny again. Should have taste good.
Okay guys, so the food was perfect. Yeah, so we had a great time. We're actually at 100 right now. There's a karaoke going on and we're just gonna stay here for a while. We're definitely not gonna sing, but yeah, we just decided to go somewhere else. It is so early. It is basically 9 o'clock, but the cooking class was so good. We had fun, so yeah. We are outside.
Yes, sir. You did good. 248 odds. Yep. Can I give that strange?
Everything's on the inside. When we open the bag, just make sure you think of me giving you. All right.
Before.
It's a Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. So last night we went to the cooking class. It was so fun, y'all. After we left the cooking class, we went to 100 to a karaoke. We also ended up at the casino. I love me some casino. Okay, we did play just like for a short while. Well, I didn't play. One of my friends played, and you know, I did bet something and I won. The horse that I bet on, it won. Anyways, not sure if I told you guys, I'm gonna go to the dentist because the wire in my mouth, it's sticking out so bad and sticking me within my gums and all of that. I did put the wax over it, but it's still sticking in it, so I'm gonna head out there. I did call him, and sorry guys, it showed that my battery was low, so I did call him this morning and tell him, hey, I'm gonna have to come in because the wires are really sticking me. So I'm gonna head out and do that. Yeah, but I really appreciate you guys for watching this crazy vlog. I think it is short. I may cut this here, I don't know yet, but we're gonna go on the road and go to the dentist right now, and then we'll figure it out. I have not ate anything from morning. I figured let me just fix the wire first and then I eat, so we may get something on the road. Right now this one is sticking me. I'm gonna have to put more wax on it, and I'm running out of wax. I need to ask them if I can get some more wax or if I would have to purchase it. Anyways, let's go to the dentist. Oh, let me show you guys a full fit. So this is a fit, a very regular. Oh, by the way, I've lost so much weight, and what's your, yeah, so long sleeve. Well, it's not really sunny outside, it's kind of overcast, so I don't know. So I don't know why I love me some long sleeve top, and I live on the island. Don't ask me why, but yeah, cute fit. I'm leaving my hair in 2, and yeah, we did fresh face, showered, all of that. I have a love bump coming up here. I don't know who loved me, but continue to love me, but without the bump. Anyways, the battery's low. I need to charge it, and I guess in the car. I will catch you guys when I'm at the dentist. And it is raining, guys, and I also need to stop at Rapid True Valley, so I'm gonna do that first before I actually go to the dentist. I'm here at Rapid True Valley. Let me just quickly run inside because it's raining. Let me not bring my purse, just bring the cash in my hand. Let's go. so we're finished with the dentist. That it sorted out the sticking ones, 2 sticking ones that I had. It feels better, but I need to get some wax. They don't give the additional waxing that I have to get it at Fontana or Amazon. Let's go home. Right, so I was going to drive to Fontana, but I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I just want to go home, plus it's raining. So I'll try to go to Fontana in the week, or more than likely the wax is gonna finish the day after tomorrow. So I'll probably go on the road then. I mean, it would have made sense to just go to Fontana right now and sort it out, but based on the hour, it's to 3 o'clock, almost 3 o'clock, and I just don't want to deal with people and traffic at this moment. So I'm just gonna head home. But I really appreciate you guys for watching this vlog.